back to another episode of OldsLegend. Today, I'm excited to share with you the story of how our auto repair journey began. It all started years ago on Englewood Drive, where our shop and paint booth were housed in one space. That spot was our home for 18 years, and it was where we built our name, reputation, and craft. We worked tirelessly to establish ourselves as a trusted and reliable auto repair shop on the east side of Indy. Our customers became like family, and we took pride in every vehicle that came through our doors. As we grew, so did our reputation, and we became known for our quality work, integrity, and morals. But as much as we loved our old shop, we knew it was time to take things to the next level. We outgrew our space and needed a bigger and better equipped shop to serve our customers even better. That's why we're excited to announce that we've moved into a new shop. At OldsLegend Vehicle Auto Repair Shop, our team of expert technicians has worked on thousands of vehicles, consistently exceeding expectations and building a reputation for quality, integrity, and customer satisfaction. From routine maintenance to complex repairs, we've seen it all. Our commitment to staying up to date with the latest technology and techniques ensures that your vehicle receives the best possible care. Whether you're a local resident or just passing through, we're proud to offer expert technicians, state-of-the-art equipment, customer-centric approach. Our reputation has earned us trust all over the world, and we're excited to announce that we'll soon be taking our expertise to Europe. With new locations on the horizon, you'll soon be able to experience the OldsLegend difference in your own backyard. What sets us apart? Unwavering commitment to quality, personalized service, community involvement. The new shop is a game changer for us. We've invested heavily in the latest equipment and technology to ensure that we can deliver the same high-quality work that our customers expect from us. The building may not have been ready when we first moved in, but that didn't stop us. We rolled up our sleeves and got to work. We pressure washed the entire space, painted everything, and epoxied the floors. We added a brand new paint booth, 10 HP air compressor, 2 post lifts, 1 post lift. It is a climate-controlled shop including AC. I'm proud to show you around our new shop and give you a sneak peek at what we're working with. We've got state-of-the-art equipment, a clean and organized workspace, and a team of ASE-certified experts who are passionate about what they do. Whether you're a regular customer or just visiting for the first time, we can't wait to show you what we're all about. So, what can you expect from us? You can expect top-notch service, expert technicians, and a commitment to getting the job done right the first time. We're not just about fixing cars, we're about building relationships and delivering exceptional customer service. As we continue to grow and evolve, we want to make sure that we're staying true to our core values. We're committed to being a part of the community, supporting local businesses, and giving back whenever possible. So, come on and check us out. Bring your vehicle in for a visit, and let us show you what we're all about. We're excited to meet you and get your car tuned as smoothly as possible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more behind-the-scenes peeks, tips, and advice from the OldsLegend team. We can't wait to see you in the next video.